What's up everyone, Vitaly here, and in this video I want to show you how to tell what content on your website is not indexed in Google's Search Console, and Google for that matter as well. So what you need to understand is that when you have a website and you have Google Search Console connected to that website, which is a free service that Google offers to help read your website better, index your content, it will also share with you which of your content is not indexing. And it's actually completely normal to have a situation where you have a website, you have a lot of content on that website, but some of it is indexed and some of it is not. Ideally, you want to have all of your content indexed. But how do you tell which of your content is not indexed in Google? Well, this is where we come into today's vlog. So here's how you do that. Obviously, you want to have Google Search Console and you need that to be connected to your website. Supposing that is the case, what you're going to want to do is head over to where it says indexing, and underneath that it says pages. Click on that. And once you click on that, where it says all known pages, there's a little arrow. You will click on it. You will click on all submitted pages. And what you'll notice here is that I have a lot of content that is indexed, 687 posts. But check this out, 30 are not indexed. And it says that there's 4 reasons for it, but what we want to actually do is scroll down. Why pages aren't indexed? And what you want to do is you want to click on the third one in this case, or it might show up in a different order for you, but where it says crawled, currently not indexed. You're going to want to click on that. Once you click on that, you will want to scroll down, and where it says examples, these aren't just examples. These are actual URLs which are not indexed in Google for a number of reasons. It could be because there's too much AI content. It could be because it's not chasing some kind of keyword. It could be because it's just some random content that nobody's looking up in Google search. There's a variety of reasons why this is happening, but what you want to do is you want to take a look at these ones and just see what pops up. So in my particular case, what was it? Like 20 different ones didn't show up. Now, what you want to do is you just want to look at these ones. So, for example, you can also, by the way, change it. So it says rows showing is 10. I'm going to select it to 25 because there's 20. Now I can see a whole list of it. Now, I have actually corrected a bunch of these and fixed it, and now most of them are indexed, but it does take time for it to not show up here and then show up in the index section. But this part of the video, this topic, I just wanted to cover on how you can actually see which content is not indexed. Now, in many cases, you can try to look at, let's say, this first one that comes up, and it looks over, and you look over here, and there's a magnifying glass on the right here, which says Inspect URL. If you click on that, it'll say Retrieving data from Google. It'll show this page. You're going to want to click on Test Live URL, and if it's running, you will want to click on Request Indexing. Sometimes this can correct the issue, but in another video, I'll show you a more hands-on approach, because if these pieces of content are not being indexed, just trying to tell Google, hey, I want you to index this content, may often be not enough to get it indexed. There might be something missing. There might be something you want to add to these pieces of posts, in my case to these pieces of content, in order to get Google to say, okay, now we can index this content. And that's what I'm going to show you in a different video, and we'll cover that another time. But in the meantime, if you have any questions about this, let me know. Other than that, I will see you in the next video. Take care, everybody.